Good morning, boys and girls. I want to talk to you about something really exciting called AI, which stands for Artificial Intelligence. AI is a special kind of technology that helps computers think and learn. Have you ever wondered how your favorite games on tablets or phone work? Well, AI is one of the reasons behind that magic. It helps the games understand what you want to do and react accordingly. Isn't that amazing? AI is not just for games. Thought it can also help us in many other ways. For example, have you ever seen a robot vacuum cleaner? It can clean the floors all by itself because of AI. It knows where to go and how to avoid obstacles. It's like having a smart helper at home. AI is also used in virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. These assistants can talk to us, answer questions, and even play music for us. They can understand our words and do tasks for us. It's like having a friendly companion who is always ready to help. But how does AI work? Well, it's like a big brain made up of lots of computer programs. These programs can learn from the information that receives and become smarter over time. They can recognize patterns, solve problems, and even make decisions. However, it's important to remember that AI is created by humans and it needs our guidance and supervision. It's like having a robot friend that follows our instructions. We have to make sure it's used for good things and doesn't harm anyone. So, boys and girls, AI is an amazing technology that helps computers think and learn. It's like having a clever friend who can do many things. As we grow older, we might even have more opportunities to learn about AI. I hope you found this introduction of AI interesting. Keep exploring and learning new things because who knows, maybe one day you will become an AI expert yourself. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.